Okay. Crazy. Come on. I guess I'm just a misfit, huh? Yeah. Should I come in right now? No? Should I come in right now? Yeah. Hey, listen. Real skinny.
God bless. Praising God. I am why the HA. We're praising God. Even the answer we don't need no prophecy. Not hypnotic. Praising God. All of the ones of the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky where God is all I need. God. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we wanna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we wanna wait. God will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where. Lead like a fast car, cause I'm on a speed like an NASCAR. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping one for them. They want see me up in that car. Up with the bike pull over me stop in that car. It's like them want see me back in that car. And I squander every cent for me have. But in a life you know see me top in that car. Them watching the news we see that him got star. And they been up disappointed just because me anointed. Them see that him got far. Tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan cause like say mother raising God. So we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna wait. God will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check way. God of the solid rock and it's me I will stay on it. Anytime when you check you know me there on it. Right before me got me bed before me lay on it. Me go down on my knees and you me pray on it. No me not take the Lord praise and be Satan it. Why? Cause me no evil me no Satan it. On the broad road no me not go straight on it. Check the narrow road and you see the AJ on it. And when they not give me one heap of taste and one heap of trial, he bless me and me get tape on it. Once upon a time I was a shy guy on stage, but now we might tell me what we say on it. Cause you are the potter, so watch out, mold me life like say me have clay on it. Lord show me what is real love, and me can't walk away from it. Tell them so we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them and we wanna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them and we wanna wait. God will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check way. Lead like a fast car, cause I'm on a speed like a NASCAR. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping what for them. Devil is a liar. Oh, so we both are fire. How we praise the Messiah. Oh, you wanna know? Satan no pump and a pet up. Tell him say do you must know is a set up. He will tell you about sun and shine when a rain a fall and he make you get wet up. Make you work, gamble and bet up. Lose all the money and a gun you go take up. Make police come lock you behind bars. In a prison you shut up. Sorry story no something me a make up. Can't sit down for the Lord me a forget up. And I'm a doctor for me just man. So me no visit doctor me no check up. By you Jesus if you take up. If you don't have the Lord your life wreck up. And even if you left Jesus Christ right now, come back right now and come make up. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, no, hey, devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, if you never get your water, no drink it. If him come in on your task, don't think it. Him want your life dark like a tinted, and him see your ship and him want sink it. So send up your praise eye like a blimp it. Open your eyes and don't blink it. And send up all of the praise to the Most High, cause him higher than every other God. All when him sit, him low sweet like a drink sit. Connect to the Lord like a link sit. A straight fire me a burn pan the devil. When the song a done, me a go give fire link sit. Oh, your riches in heaven like a bring sit. Try stand up on the throne where the king sit. Make sure you have a clean and pure heart, like say you wash on your rings. Devil you know fi follow. In a sin you know fi wallow. No, Innocent, you know fi walla. No, 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 no. Devil, you know fi follow. Innocent, you know fi walla. No, no, devil, you know fi follow. You know fi walla. No, no. How you wanna know? Satan no pump and a pet up. God bless. My boy DJ. Yeah, I made some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read on Isaiah. Yeah, man. I have to make a joyful Isaiah. Hear me I say no. Lord I'm a shepherd, all of my friend them a Balaam. We know this so be a God, we know Balaam. We are like Abraham. No say when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined fi kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. I know man is an island unless them a Cayman. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, that be a layman. See man who carry the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel up the Lord Raymond, him able for wipe all the stain off a Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him go fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that are debt. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. If I never Jacob be a club me with a floss in a one party with a cause him a pay stub, AK submachine. God wash me off in a the love machine. If you look you see a base hood. Jesus dead pon the cross, waste blood. Fan him head and him palm.